Hey guys, it's Junior aka Semi here, bringing you another great video to the channel. If this is your first time here guys, I suggest, and I do mean highly suggest, you go ahead and click on that like button, hit the subscribe button, don't forget to hit that bell notification so you guys get notified every time we drop great videos like this one, whenever we go live. Because trust me guys, you never ever want to miss out on anything we do on here, and it bring you the great stuff to the channel guys, a lot of great stuff. So today is Wednesday, so what does that mean? Wednesday websites. So today I want to show you a website that you can generate images with AI. It's a cool website. It is free. It's to a limit. Past that limit and more options, you have to do the paid version. I'll show you the free version because it works perfect for me. And you might have looked in the background right now, you might see some images that look like some of the fonts I've created for my YouTube channel, which I've been using this lately and it's been working great for me, and I think this is a great website. And let me go and shoot myself down so you guys can take a look at what I'm talking about. Okay, let's check it out. And the website I'm talking about today is called Leonardo.Ai. So you type that in the search bar, Leonardo.ai. It'll bring you to this website. It might look a little different from your setup because it's gonna look different, but let me go ahead and do it from the beginning because this is my profile that I log into. With this, it does take credits to go ahead and create it. So when you first come in, it's gonna take you here. This is the page, this is the front line. It is free to a certain limit. Some features are locked out, and and you got to limit how many you can use per day, because you generate new credits. When it's the free version, you generate more credits every day, so you can create about maybe 5 to 10 pictures as you please. But I'm going to show you how it works out. It's really cool. I love how it works, and I've been using it for myself when I come in with YouTube videos. So once you're here, all you want to do is click on launch app. Once you launch it, it's going to bring you back to this page, and here it's going to ask you to sign in or create a free account. I'm logged into my account, which is Semi2Tech, my email account of course, and I logged in. And then from here you got different options. You can do real-time Canva, flow state, video, upscaler, Canva editor, and more. But the one we're talking about the most that I like to use it for is image. So I'm going to click on image, and here is going to give you the images I've created. If you see my last few videos and the thumbnails of it, you've noticed that I created this one for, I forgot what it was, something about a computer, I know that. Then I did this one for working on the lug nuts on my car, which you might see the pictures are not available anymore because they're already old. I think I used this one right here. It looks like it. Click to view. Okay, no, it wasn't that one. I think it was this one I was using when I was fixing the lug nuts on my car. I used this image right here. And then when I was fixing the Quest remote controller, I used this image here. But I had to, because they couldn't get the Quest remote here for me, so I just put a Quest remote there myself. I did my extra editing on it. It's not 100% perfect, but it does get the job done for what you wanted to do. So once you're on this website, you have different features here. What I like to use it for preset modes, you have different preset modes. I like to use Phoenix. I don't know, because I tried the other ones, but this one's like more to what I want to use it for as far as YouTube thumbnails. But you have other options. You got animated versions, cinematic, concept art, graphic design, Illustrator, Adobe. You got all this stuff here, guys, that you could check out yourself. But what I use it for when I'm creating my thumbnails, I use Phoenix 1.0. They have older versions of 0.9, but this is the new version, so I click on that one and I use that one. And then you could go ahead and make it the template you want to use, the size and everything. By default, this is the default one, but you could go ahead and mess around with it if you want to change it around. So once you're here, guys, and once you pick all your formats and everything you want to do, you want to go up here and type something out. Oh yeah, I used it now, remember, because I'm looking at the last input I put in. This is for a though when I was doing a website review on my last week's website review. I used this one, and I put the guy right here looking at a web page, but I inserted the website I was demonstrating that day. And I put it right here because I know how to do. I can add that myself in Photoshop. So I use this picture here. None of these pictures look more realistic to me. So here you want to go ahead and type whatever you want to be as detailed as possible, so it gives you the better image and knows more what you're talking about. So I'm gonna put a white male working out inside of his storage unit. Let's just put that, because some people do create gym out of their storage unit. All right, so I'm gonna put that. Okay, and then I'm gonna put a little bit more detail. Have a few fans in the background. My typing sucks. And let's see what that generates. All right, so when you generate, it's gonna give you a few options. So we're gonna get, so as you see right here, it says to generate, it's gonna cost me 24 credits. Up here, it gives you a daily dose of 150 credits. Depending how much you type in, how much it needs to create, it could be 6 credits, it could be 12 credits. This one's telling me it's gonna generate it for 24 credits. So I'm gonna click on that, generate. We're gonna give it about maybe 30 seconds, and it'll generate about maybe 2 to 4 pictures. But let's see what it generates. I just thought of something up in my head just to create. I tried to do one for when I was working on the car for the lug nuts, and it wasn't doing it properly, and I couldn't do it. So here's a couple options here. They gave me 4. So you see a white man, he's inside a storage unit. You can see the boxes, and there's a few fans in the background, in the back. And this is pretty accurate for what I described that I wanted. Okay, so now they say you want to edit this picture. You like this picture here. We're gonna pick this one here, and you want to edit this picture. But let's go back, because you don't have to do, because you know how these two don't have a shirt, and this one has 2 gray shirts. Let's say I want to change the shirts into red. Let's just put that, because I did that before. I'm gonna go here, gonna hit the little pencil mark right here, and type in make the person wearing a red tank top. I just did that. It's gonna cost me another 24 points to generate. I'm gonna do that, and it's gonna generate it again, and it's gonna use that same images that I created down here, and then do what I asked it for it to do. So it's gonna put him in a red tank top. I just chose red just so you can see it stick out more. So let's take a look and see how long it takes. It's about 30 seconds, anywhere from 30 to 60 seconds, which is pretty decent in my opinion. Again, you want to check out this website. I'll leave a link down below, but you want to make sure you want to go to Leonardo.Ai. All right, so there you guys go. So it took these 2 same images like I was doing before, and it put it in a red shirt. And it took these images and put them in a red shirt. Look at that, guys. Look how cool that is. So with a little bit more wording, you could take the same images and rewrite it to what you want. And I'm gonna do it one more time because I think I have enough credits. I'm gonna put add a woman in the background in a bikini, also working out. All right, so I'm gonna put that and see if that generates something good. I'm gonna see if it does it good. Now, if you only wanted to generate 2 pictures, you could choose the option to 2 pictures, 1 picture, 3 or 4. And by default, it's 4. So I'm gonna give it another 30 seconds for it to load up, 30 to 60 seconds, and it works pretty fast. And I've been using this a lot for myself when coming with YouTube thumbnails, because of course I don't make YouTube videos every day, so the free version works for me, guys. All right, so here we go. As you see, in every picture it had a woman in the background. This one, she's Both of them are standing there. She looks like she's working out there, and looks like she's working out there also. So they put a woman in the background in a bikini working out. So it's really good on how it works, guys. Now, this is the free version. Of course, there's some other perks if you do get the paid version. It's a monthly subscription. It's up to you if you want to pay. I'll show you. I don't have a paid subscription, but you could increase the quality. Anything that has a little diamond on top, you see right here, there's a little diamond right here. Anything with a diamond, you need a paid subscription for. So if I go to higher quality, it'll give you all the subscriptions and every specs of what it offers. So right now I'm on the free one, 150 tokens every day for free. You go with the apprentice version, you get 8,500 tokens daily, 2,500 rollover tokens capability. But see, with the free version, you don't get any rollovers. Optimized with one collection, unlimited collections, up to 200 real-time canvas actions. This one's unlimited. 200 real-time generation actions. This is unlimited. And then you can create up to 5. I can create up to 5 pictures at one time, but I was doing 4. Okay, and then you got other stuff over here: unlimited real-time canvas and real-time actions. And then you got more. The more options you want, the more it's gonna cost you. So here are the price plans. For free is $0, of course. $12 if you want the apprentice, which is $10 right now, as they have it a discount at the time you buy. I don't know, because normally if you go pay monthly, it costs $12, but if you pay for a year, it's gonna cost you $10 a month, so which is $120 instead of $144. So you save a little bit. You save 20%. $24 a month for the artisan unlimited versus $30, and then you got 48 versus 60. And of course, if you want more, there's other stuff that you can pay for. You gotta contact them to see what other options they have available for you. If you want to go even more, you want to put some special privileges or stuff that you want to add to your account, you can contact them and they can set up a special account for you. So guys, it's a short video, not much to do, but I did want to show you this because this is a great website. I've been using this a lot for my YouTube videos. You guys have probably noticed a lot of like, why these thumbnails are different, because I've been using it. So if you guys have seen my videos before, let me get out of here. You've seen this picture here, you've seen this picture here, you've seen this picture here. For the iPods, when I did it, the AirPods, I think I did this one or this one. I forgot which one I did. I probably did another one. I don't know. I think I did this one. And then when I did the iWatch, I did this one. So guys, there's a lot of options here you can check out. See, this is another, when I wasn't using Phoenix, I used this one to make it an anime one, and that one was for this one. I used this option right here, anime, to use it, and that's what created that one in the background. Created this one. I try to use the anime one, see how it works. See, I tried it a bunch of times to see which one works good for me, and I eventually came up with the Phoenix one. The Phoenix 1.0 worked best for me, guys. So I can't complain about that part. I mean, again, you would have to test out yourself. But then again, if you're only going to use the free ones, remember, anytime you do something, it takes away tokens. Just for creating these, just for creating these 4 templates right here that I tried to show you for demonstration, it cost me almost half my tokens. I had 150, and now I lost 62 tokens to create these ones right here for you guys to check out. So go ahead and try it out yourself. If you know you're gonna use this a lot, look into the paid subscription. But if you're gonna use it as much as I will use it, then you can stick with the free version. Up to you what you guys want to try it out. Just check it out. I'm not disappointed with it. It works perfect for me. Unfortunately, I have not been able to use the other options because the other options that actually do better stuff cost a paid subscription, and I don't want to do that because I'm like, okay, I don't need it right now. In the future, if my channel ever grows up again like it used to be and be active it used to be, maybe I do it, just because I used to run a website, and YouTube, whatever I got paid from YouTube, basically I put it towards the website, and it was keeping my website active. But since you know how YouTube changes all the time, the terms and conditions, so a lot of stuff, my views have gone down dramatically. So I don't get the same revenue as I used to on YouTube anymore. So that's why I shut down the website. A lot of people ask, where's the website? Why is it down? I shut that because not that many people were going to it. So, and I wasn't getting that much revenue from YouTube or from the website anymore to keep the website active. So that's why I got rid of the website. But yeah, guys, that's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video and everything I had to show you today, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. Show me all the love and support that you guys love to show the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that share button, because sharing is caring, and we want to make sure that everybody's aware of everything we do on this channel, so they're not missing out, just like you're not missing out. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, put them in the comment box down below, and I'll get to you as soon as I can, when I can, as fast as I can. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and enable bell notification, because you're not gonna miss out on anything we do on this channel. Until next time, I'm out here. Peace.